something from a little bit of bowling. I wanted to go over what I did in my last video is counting. I found a different way to do this. Here's the setup of each square. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9 back to the beginning. 10 is at the heart of everything. Setup number 1, I'm not going to talk about what it says, okay, any more than that. Second selection, this is the bowling selection. 1 on each side, 1 on each side, 1 in the center behind 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This combination of 3 and this combination of 3 creates 3 and 3. If you see it, it creates the T, the split T over here, this one over here, one side of the V, creating your K. When you design it down like this and down like this from each side, this is what it looks like. It looks like one leg and another leg. When you count it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 1 and 6. It becomes the light. The 6 becomes the light. Or is it the hips? And don't forget, from front to back and side to side. You have front to back and you have side to side. That's 4. Up and down, front to back, side to side. That's 8. So that's your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total is 12. But there's no 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we counted the 1 twice. And we're counting the 6 twice. 6, 1, 1, 6 is the same thing as saying 6, 1, 1, 6. If you want to go into the 10 world, 1 will get 9, 6 will get 4. 4 and 9 equals to 36 and 13 is the AC energy. 4 times 9. Pluto, Mars. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 plus 9 equals 13. The total is 49. Standing for green, standing for 6 and 14, which is the ring around the cube, because 6 and 14 is on the pool game, in which 8 is now black. When you put black together, you pull 2 worlds together. I was going to design the same square up here, but I couldn't get it in the center of these two. Depending on how many squares you choose, 1, 2, 3, there's 3 and 3 squares. Automatically, if there's 3 and 3 squares, the center square, if I want to open this up 3, I'll have to go 1 on this side, 2 on this side. Because I cannot open just 3, because this is 3 and 3, 6. 3 and 3, 6. So the center here, I need 3, half of this one in between both sides. So I can no longer use, I'd either have to go 4 and go 2 on this side and 2 on this side to get the proper creation of the square above. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? Now the size of this, because it's 3, I need 1 1/2, 1 1/2. I'd need a half. So I'd have to move this way or this way, this way or this way. So again, when we count this, it becomes V and V. Or how about the double V? Or how about the double U? The creation and understanding of the VWW creation is because 6 and 6 comes together. But when you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you count it to 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes 10 as 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is 10, 3 and 7, the creation of it, and 4 and 6 is the diameter of the moon, becomes the double V, spirit of 55, 55 holding in 6. 3 and 7, 73, the number times Nibiru, and create 7 by 3, 21 the cube, and adding 1, 2, 6, it does equal to 21. So within itself, it tells how it's done. 3 here, and 2, 3, 2, 3, and 1. 3, 1, 3. 3 over here, 3, 3, 3. 3, 1, 3. The only 2 in the center, the 4 on the left, the 2 in the center, the 4 on the right. The division of the universe, whichever way you want to look. I only come here to fill the gaps. I fill a void of understanding the differences of thoughts that we have. So this is what I'm saying, double V. I'm not sure if you followed me. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 and 10 is 31. Plus 6 for the 0, or 15. 15, 31 instead of 31. Make it 46. It turns into 46 because 0 equals 6. 3 plus 7 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 equals 6. 10 equals 1 plus 15 equals to 16. Or which equals to the light at the same time, which equals to the light, 1 and 6. Or counting 1 to 16, the letter P equals to a total of 136. Touchdown, we have the extra point, and I know because the conversion has been made. The conversion is 3. So what do we need to know about the conversion of 3? It has to do with the yard. The yard is a stick. The separation of the stick is now 10 yards, but the yardstick is only 9 yards, something to do with 1 cent difference. 1 cent. Obviously, it might make sense that the moon is that 1 cent and represented by the football, the little rice elements that pass on through that give us the spirit life that we have, or to interrupt our spirit life that we have. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. And if you get involved in any way, anything, this is to bring, I believe, a truth because of reality. And reality will only bring a truth. Sewing things back together from when they weren't the truth because we didn't know. But when we follow to respect the truth of he who only delivers what he thinks is A, I'm not sure I think so, share it to me, what do you think? To someone who's saying, yeah, this is 100%. No, this is only 100% of what I think because I'm telling you the truth. And that's the 100% you're getting. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.